Hey, at the start of the week, I drew some art for the desert biome. Wow, it's yellow. The desert biome started out way too bright. This is because my lighting system is brighter than it should be, turning bright yellow colors into pure white. Now I could fix this, but it'd mess up the lighting for all the other biomes. Besides, it only really affects me when I'm drawing really bright ones. So what I did instead was just darken the sprite separately. After I did this, the sand biome was looking a bit stale, so I wanted to make some differently colored enemies. Cacti seemed like a good option to me since they're green, and according to color theory, if you cardinally and arithmetically aggregate in the triangulation of green and yellow, you'll find they couple well residing within a desert environment. In the future, I might make them shoot spikes or something, but I didn't want to make all that technical stuff at the moment. Instead, along with the cactus enemy, I made a cactus bush. It might be mildly broken and kill you in 3 seconds, but don't worry about it. After making a cactus, I made another enemy, the mummy. The art might look a little bit weird, but trust me, I know what I'm doing. I'm a pro at pixel art. I'm still looking for attack ideas on the mummy because right now they're just a reskin of the little zombie slime guys. Maybe using their toilet paper to drag you closer to them? With that, I was done with the desert biome, for the moment anyway. Next, I looked at my to-do list and saw the savanna biome, which is sort of like a desert, so I decided to start work on it. The art is questionable. There seems to be a pattern going on here, but ignoring that, I really wanted unique enemies for this biome. That's why I decided on a vulture. What's really cool about this is it's a flying enemy, and it can fly over walls and just go directly to you. However, there are a few problems I bumped into while making them. First of all, I had to fully remake the enemy code, since that code is meant to go around walls, and I didn't want to have any of that stuff for birds. It just messed everything up. After that, I had to make some sort of way to make them interesting, not just fly right at you and attack you the second they could. Therefore, I made a 3-state system. The first state is flying. It wanders towards a random target position and basically just wanders around in that state. The target has a script of its own that moves it around totally randomly, but it looks fairly good as long as the bird can't turn too fast. The second state is the target state, which slowly looks towards the player and flies forwards. Finally, the third state is attacking, which doesn't necessarily hit the player, but instead just swoops down wherever it is at the moment. The cool thing I did with these states was making basically a usage bar. Each state had a number for how much the bird thinks it should switch into that state. Whichever bar is the highest at the moment is chosen, and as the state is used, the corresponding bar goes down. You can also make another bar go up at the same time. For example, the target state might be going down as a vulture is targeting you, but at the same time, the likelihood of it switching to attack goes up, allowing it to have a fairly good chance of actually hitting you when it swoops down. None of it was particularly difficult, which surprised me since this kind of system usually breaks. Anyway, I need suggestions for bad guys, new biomes and stuff like that, so you know what to do. See ya!